Good day, students. How are you today? I hope everybody is fine and safe, and all of you are ready for today's lesson. In our last lesson, we discussed about operation on numbers. Operation on numbers such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Okay? And when we say sum, it is addition. When we say difference, it is subtraction. When we say product, it is multiplication. And quotient, it is division. Okay, so now we will discuss about operation on numbers in sentence form. Okay, so after this lesson, you are expected to 1. Show reading comprehension in operation on numbers in sentence form. 2. Determine the operation to be used in solving operation on numbers in a form of sentence. And solve operation on numbers in a form of sentence. Okay, so we have steps in solving operation on numbers in a form of sentence. Okay, number 1, read and analyze the sentence carefully. Second, determine the operation to be used in solving the given sentence. Number 3, find the numbers in the given sentence. And 4, solve the given sentence. Okay, let's have an example. What is the sum of the numbers 3 and 25? Okay, let's analyze the sentence. The word sum means addition. So the operation to be used is addition. And what are the numbers? The numbers are 3 and 25. So we will add 25 plus 3 is 28. Okay? Are we clear on that? Don't be confused. Let's have another example. What is the difference between 76 and 14? The underlined word is difference. So the operation we're going to use is subtraction. And the numbers are 76 and 14. So we will write 76 minus 14 is 62. Okay, is that clear? Next, what is the product of 82 and 11? The word product means multiplication. We will multiply the numbers 82 by 11. So it's 82 times 11. 1 times 82 is 82. 1 times 2 and 8 is 82. Will give us the answer 902. Okay? That clear? What is the quotient of 96 and 3? So the quotient means the operation to be used is division, and the numbers are 96 and 3. So we are going to divide 96 by 3, or we may write also 96 over 3, or we will use this to solve 96 divided by 3. So again, don't be confused. In 93 over 3, the numerator is 96. So the divisor is 96. The denominator is 3. So the dividend is 3. Don't be confused. So let's divide 96 by 3. 9 divided by 3 is 3. 3 times 3 is 9. So let's subtract 0. Then bring down 6. 6 divided by 3 is 2. 2 times 3 is 6. Give us the difference of 0. So the answer is 32. Okay, is that clear? Okay, next, let's have another example. What is the quotient of 6 and 12? So we will divide 6 by 12, or 6 divided by 12, or we may write 6 over 12. Again, 6 is the numerator, 12 is the denominator. Okay, take note of this. It is not 12 divided by 6 is 2. Again, 6 over 12 is not the same as 12 over 6 equals 2. Here, 6 is the numerator, 12 is the denominator. Numerator is less than the denominator, meaning the value here is less than 1. Unlike in 12 over 6, numerator is greater than denominator, meaning the value is greater than 1. That is 2. Okay, since 6 over 12 is less than 1, so we may rewrite this in simplest form. Okay, so let's divide this by 6. That gives us 1 half, 1 over 2. 1 half is less than 1. Okay, so what if the numerator and the denominator are equal? Of course, the value is exactly or equal to 1. Okay, are we clear on this? Don't be confused. Next, let's have another example. How many 5s are there in 625? So here we're asking how many 5s do we have in 625? So how many means we are going to divide 625 by 5. Okay, or we may write 625 over 5, or for easily solving, we will use 625 as the divisor and 5 as the dividend. Okay, so it is 625 divided by 5. 6 divided 5 is 1. 1 times 5 is 5. So let's get the difference of 1. Bring down 2, it's 12. 12 divided by 5 is 2. 2 times 5 is 10. And the difference is 2. Bring down 5, that is 25. 25 divided by 5 is 5. 5 times 5 is 25. Difference of 0. So the answer is 125. Okay, is that clear? I hope so. Don't be confused. Next, example number 7. What is 13 less than 86? So here, we're looking for a number. So what is the number that is less than 86? For 13 less than 86. Okay, so here, we are comparing two numbers. So we will use two boxes. We're comparing two numbers, which is the bigger and the smaller. So here, the underlined word here is less than, meaning the number is less than 86. So we will put 13 less than in the middle. And for the second box, it's 86. So we will look for the number. 86 meaning is the bigger, and the other one is the smaller. Okay, so what is that number that is 13 less than 86? So we will find out that. So meaning, we will subtract 13 from 86, or it is 86 minus 13, and that is 73. So meaning, 73 is 13 less than 86. Therefore, 73 is less than 86. And it also means that in reverse, 86 is 13 more than 73. Okay? Again, 73 is less than 86. That's right. How many? 73 is less than 86 by how many? It's 13. So that is why 73 is 13 less than 86. While 86 is greater than 73. We know that 86 is greater than 73 by how many? 13. So that's why it's 86 is 13 more than 73. I hope we're clear on that. Don't be confused. Next, example number 8. What is 26 more than 113? Again, we're going to use two boxes to compare two numbers, which is smaller and which is bigger. So the word more than in the middle, the number is 26 more than another number. Okay, so it's 113, meaning the missing number is greater than 113. So it is the bigger, and 113 is the smaller. Okay, so to get that, since the number is more than 113 by 26, meaning we will just add 113 by 26, and that is 139. So the number that is 26 more than 113 is 139. The number 139 is more than 113 by 26. That's why we add 113 by 26. Therefore, 139 is 26 more than 113. It's the same as 113 is less than 139 by how many? 26. Yes. So it's 113 is 26 less than 139. Okay, is that clear? I hope so. Don't be confused with that. Next, example number 9. How do you write the difference of 85 and 6 tenths and 53 and 2 hundredths? Okay, the word underlined here is difference, so the operation is subtraction. And if we look at the numbers, 85 and 6 tenths. So, meaning the numbers has a whole number and decimal numbers. Right? Okay, so we will subtract the numbers, the two numbers. The first number here is 85.6 or 85 and 6 tenths minus 53.02 or 53 and 2 hundredths. Let's subtract that using this pattern. 85 and 6 tenths minus 53 and 2 hundredths. 0 become 10. 10 minus 2 is 8. Then 6 becomes 5. 5 minus 3 is 2. 8 minus 5 is 3. And give us the answer 32.58 or 32 and 58 hundredths. In words, that is 32 and 58 hundredths. Okay? Are we clear? I hope so. Don't be confused. Next example. how do you write the difference of 7 over 4 and 3 over 8? Or 7 fourths and 3 eighths? Okay, 7 fourths meaning we have 7 pieces of 1 fourth. That's why it's 7 fourths. So that is 7 times 1 fourth. And 3 eighths meaning we have 3 pieces of 1 eighth. That's why it's 3 eighths or 3 times 1 eighth. It's not 3 eighths because it is more than 1 eighth. So that's why it's 3 eighths, 7 fourths. Okay, so the word here is different, so we will subtract 7 fourths minus 3 eighths. Here, we can see that the denominators 4 and 8 are not similar. In that case, we will find or we will use the LCD or LCM. So we will put LCD here as the denominator. So what's the meaning of LCD or LCM? LCD or LCM means least common denominator or least common multiple. Okay, how to find the LCD or LCM of the numbers? So let's find the LCD or LCM of numbers 4 and 8. So let's say the LCD or LCM of 4 are the numbers that is or that are divisible by 4. So they are 4, 8, and 12. 4, 8, and 12 are divisible by 4. So that's why 4, 8, and 12 are the multiple of 4. Okay? How about for the 8? What are the multiples of 8? 8 and 12 are multiples of 8 since 8 is divisible by 8 and 12 is divisible by 8. So here, we will look for the common multiple of 4 and 8. We can see that 8 and 12 are common for them, for the two numbers. But since we are looking for the least, 8 is the least, therefore, we are going to use 8 as the LCM of 4 and 8. So 8, we will use 8 as the LCD. Okay? So we will use 8 as the LCD in solving this. So what do we do in the LCD? LCD divided by the first denominator, then multiply by the first numerator, then repeat for the next or the second. Let's do that. 8 divided by 4 is 2 times 7 is 14. So let's write 14 there. Again, it's 8 divide 4, 2. 2 times 7 is 14. So write the operation minus. Let's do for the second. 8 divided by 8 is 1 times 3 is 3. Okay, so it's 14 minus 3 is 11. Just copy the denominator 8. So we have the answer 8 over, 11 over 8. Okay, the answer is in simplest form. So remember, if your answer is in fraction form, remember to rewrite in simplified form. Okay? So the final answer is 11 over 8. Is that clear? I'm hoping so. Just don't be confused with that. Okay, now it is your turn. Get a pen and paper and answer this. Okay, direction. Answer the following questions. Number 1. How many fives are there in 495? Number 2. What is the quotient if 4 is divided by 8? 3. What is 11 less than 67? 4. How do you write the difference of 75 and 4 tenths and 55 and 2 tenths? Next, what is the LCM or least common multiple of 5 and 25? 6. If you have 15 5 peso coins in your coin purse, if you took 4 of the 5 peso coins, how much is the value of the remaining 5 peso coins in your coin purse? Okay, start answering. Okay, I hope you are all done. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.